First time mình sống chỗ ta đẻ. Lần chỗ là chỗ ta đẻ thôi. Là bọn nó hiện hồ cái chị sống món mình chỗ này. See, what are you put up there? Are you done washing? No, don't use that one.
No, not like when I use that one. Makes it really
Wash good, man. Cái con hơi sốc tao. You need to wash it really good and then put up there. Can you wash that? Can you put up there? What you put in there again? Why? You be it's I guess.
This is long. Kind of how to wash the
Rồi tao muốn chia sẻ, don't put it back there.
me washing it.
Đây có chỗ đây nè mà. Chỗ đây thì tè luôn. Rồi. Rồi.
Put this one
Không chấp bé. It's okay, just leave it there. Rồi ta kia, tôi kia đấy. Rồi kia tôi kia đấy. Make sure there's no soap, okay? You said that you told it and you told it you too. Don't put water a lot, so the water takes you, yeah. Đừng rửa được anh thổi chị.
What?
I say you wash dishes so slow.
That's because you told me to.
So try don't use that one. Too long, huh?
I like it.
No, you use that one, the water go everywhere. So you have to do faster. Don't do slow like your daddy.
This is. I don't want to go more faster.
Then when you're done, clean the sink. You know how to clean the sink?
Make sure that
Okay, I'll show you how to clean the sink.
make sure that
Sometimes, no, I'll show you. You do this one, you do this one, and you press the toilet. And then you clean it down.
whatever. And then that's see that top.
Để rửa món là nấu trên của lúc nào. And then go clean the table. Show there, here.
Thank you.
Okay, then we'll clean the table back to the soap. Bye. You know that, clean the table.
More dishes?
Yes, clean everything.